Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today's video is about saving vibrational frequencies animations from using GaussView, and then you can use them in PowerPoint according to your ease. But when you normally save the movie from GaussView, its background and size are different, and if you want to copy paste it on PowerPoint, especially when you have a colored background, then it is not so convenient. Let's have a look how we can make it more convenient for us. For example, if we have a molecule and we open its vibrations, and for example, we see a vibration and we want to capture this to show it on the PowerPoint or to show it on the spectrum. It's very easy. You can save movie from here, and the repeat is endless, so it will be a GIF format with continuously moving, and you can increase or decrease the frames per cycle. But to and this one to make it more quicker or slower. But I would recommend that using the default settings is better. So if I come to save movie and save movie file, and then I can name it anything like 3594 vibration and save. So you see that it is saving that movie, and now we have this GIF here. If I double click it, you can see that the vibration is saved. But what if I want to bring it onto this PowerPoint slide, or like for example, this is an example spectrum, and I want to consider that it is spectrum for this, and you want to put it over here to show that this vibration belongs to a certain peak. But you see the background and the extra area is a bit of a trouble. So what you can do is you can remove its background and make it transparent. In Gauss View, there is an option to make it white, but still white will cover this whole background. So if you want to make it transparent, I'll show you a website that can do it very quickly. So here is the website that is called EZGIF.com. So if you open this website, and then you can remove your background or crop the image. I normally crop it right here and then remove the background in this website. So it's really easy to crop the GIF images. So if you drag and drop your GIF image over here and just wait a little bit, it will load the animation. It is still uploading. Because it's a free website, it's a bit slow, but don't worry about it. At the end of the day, to make beautiful presentations, it's still a good choice. So now if you just select it, it automatically gave you the crop tool, and I will make it precise. And then you just click crop image, you come to the bottom, crop image, the image is cropped, and now if you go to more tools and say remove background, it gives you this, and it has pre-selected your custom background. So just say custom, submit, and here we go. See, the background is removed. So now I will simply save it, and when I save it, it will download it here, and then I can copy it here. So now if you double click it, you see that the background is removed, and it's really cropped into whatever size it is. And now if we want to import it to PowerPoint, you see how beautifully it has placed it on top, and now you can easily resize it. For example, it belongs to this one, and I can easily insert a shape saying that this vibration belongs to this area, for example. And from here, you can make it transparent, and the outline, any color, shape outline, you can make it a bit bold. And yeah, that's how you can easily remove the backgrounds of such figures, such animations in the Gauss view, and then you can use them with ease in Microsoft PowerPoint. PowerPoint also offers to crop it, like if you just remove the background from EZGIF and then you can go to picture and crop the image over here as well. But I normally crop and save it in its small, so it will also make its size small. So if you crop its extra white background or extra blue background, whatever it is, then it's really convenient for you. And then you can apply animations if you want, transitions or animations from here to show multiple vibrations one after the other. So you can use these transitions and you can use them as you go. So that was all about saving a movie in GaussView and then removing its background, making it transparent. If you have got any questions related to this, you can post in the comment section and I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.